I think the delivery guy's here.
He better have my crackers this time.
Jesus, I'm sure he will. He ate his face off last time.
A man needs his crackers. Whatever.
Are you king underscore of underscore spiders underscore 34?
No, but that's my roommate.
Oh, God, I remember him.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he was the jerk one who broke my windshield.
You ride a bicycle.
Yeah, well, I wouldn't have to ride a bicycle if my car wasn't totaled.
I thought the windshield was just the problem.
Oh, no, I just hit a deer on my way home, man. Come on, dude, why'd you drop the crackers?
It's all cracked up. I'm going to go to my grandmother's house. Would you like to come with me?
I don't know, man. I'm in a really good part of the show right now.
I really need to get to my grandmother's house.
We'll get the gator started. What are you waiting for? Oh, I didn't know your grandmother lived here. Please, don't do this.
It's all cracked up!